Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to cancel Tempo subscription. Tempo offers premium access to its service through a paid subscription, which may include features like advanced video templates, higher export quality, or fitness membership access. And if you decide Tempo is not right for you, you can cancel your subscription so it won't renew at the next billing cycle. First, you need to check how you purchased your Tempo subscription. This mattered because cancellation step depends on the platform you use. So simply you need to open to a Tempo app here, Google Play, or if you have subscribed it directly through the Tempo app or website, you can cancel via Apple Store, Google Play, or the Tempo account. And some users report that cancellation may require contacting support directly or using email to complete it. You can't find a cancel button in the app. You can simply go to your icon in the bottom right. Over here on the top right, there's a settings, and over here select contact us. And over here, you can simply contact your Tempo support and help cancelling your future payments. And that's how you can cancel your Tempo subscription. Thank you for watching this, and make sure to double check your billing method so you use the correct cancellation step and avoid any unwanted renewals. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or queries, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.